We'll guide you through how to turn off two-step verification in Gmail. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. With two-step verification, when you go and sign into your Gmail account, you're going to be prompted to go and complete something, whether that's a code sent to your email or you need to go and open up an authentication app and get a code. While this does go and protect your account more from unauthorized access, it can get annoying, especially if you're frequently logging into your account. So with the help of this video, you can go and turn it off. Of course, do just remember that it will make your account less secure. But if you're sure you want to go ahead with this, let's go and get right into it. So what you need to do is go ahead to the top right of Gmail. You can also do this on Google as well, as of course your Gmail and Google account is the same. Press your profile icon, find the option, manage your Google account, and you can click there. And then what you need to do is go over to the left and you can find the option security and sign in, like so. Wait for this to go and load. What you then need to do is go down into how you sign into Google and you can find two-step verification and you can click there. Then you can go and see the second steps, but if you don't want it, you can scroll to the bottom and press turn off two-step verification. Confirm a decision and press turn off, and that's it.